Hello dear jury, we are now recording a video showing our project Smart Smoke Detector, how it works and for all the functionality. First of all, you need to connect the sensor to the beagle bone and the beagle bone is the internet connection. And this is a camera that should capture image connected to the beagle bone boards, the embedded computers. And we plug it in the laptop to power it and mirroring the process happening on the screen only. While it's rebooting, this project is provided to capture image for someone who is smoking in, for example, hospital, in some labs, in any closed areas that's not allowed to smoke inside. First of all, to access the board using the PuTTY and accessing it via a secure shell connection by entering this IP address 192.168.7.2. This is the IP address of the board. Okay. First of all, the username is debian. And the password is temp.pwd. Alright. We change the permission to be a super user to access all the functionality on this board by typing sudo su. We will be here a root. Then we change our directory to the project directory where all the files and the code are there. Video ls, this is our code. Then to run the script, or if you want to check it in vi text, its name is vi.aread1.py. This is a script by importing the library and for the camera and to send emails. And this is the while loop here to receive the voltage sensed by the sensor, smoke sensor, and if the smoke is entered inside this surface here, the voltage will be lower than 0.43, which commands the camera to capture an image and send it by mail to the person in charge. To run the program, we type Python, because we choose this language, coding language, and the name of the file. Okay, here, this is the output. You can see 1.6, 1.5. This is the voltage received because this area is clean now. There is no smoke. If someone is smoking, we will try to put some smoke, cigarette smoke, on this surface. Okay. When someone is smoking next to it, it starts capturing image. Stop. Then it continue. Measuring the voltage after the smoke is gone from the area. As you see, the process is very smooth and easy to use and very quickly. It captures the image and sends it by camera. We can press Ctrl+C for pausing the program from sending and go to my email that I put it to receive the image. As we see here, there is one new image received mentioning that there is someone smoking in the office. We open it and we can see also the date, and the picture is also renamed by the current date. We click the picture and this is a picture of someone who is smoking, and also there is a date here. And The main problem is to regulate the voltage, to know the difference between a smoke of cigarette or some dust in the air could happen next to the sensor. This could be regulated, and I hope this video is talking briefly about all the process of the project. Thank you all very much for watching.